Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Skate Trader. Today we're going to be talking about how to not lose money in the stock market. Have you ever bought in so high on a stock, like over here for instance, when the candles are really big and green and you had a fear of missing out, so you bought in way too high and now you're holding bags way up there and this stock just crashes right back down? Well, guys, I got the solution for that. Let's take a look at it. It's called the Fibonacci retracement. Alright guys, here's a look at the rest of that chart. You'll notice that if you did buy into that spike and you ended up buying at the top because you were super excited, you're like, oh, the candles are so bullish, look at how bullish they are, I want to buy in. And what happened? You got the double tweezer top and got rejected back down. So guys, the first step to fixing this problem is to eliminate your fear of missing out, guys. Just because something's bullish doesn't mean just buy into it blindly. So what do we do after we miss that giant move? Let's talk about it. So if you have your fear of missing out under control, the next step is to simply have patience and wait. You're going to look for this to come back down and settle out. You're going to try to locate a bottom on it. We found a bottom over here. You'll notice that there's a hammer down here, and after that momentum started to pick up in the upward direction. So what you're going to do, once you have your bottom and your top established, you're going to come over to your drawing tools. You're going to select your Fibonacci retracement. What you're going to do is simply click on this tall candle over here where you had your tweezer top and established, your level of resistance. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull that from your tweezer top all the way down to your lowest point, which would be the hammer where we established our bottom, which would be our new support over here. And you're going to drag and place your Fibonacci retracement right there. Alright guys, now that we have our Fibonacci retracement drawn, here's how to trade it. Clearly we don't want to buy up here. That was the mistake. We had a tweezer top, you'll notice. So this was a good sign right here not to buy, was this tweezer top. Hard rejection at a line of resistance. So what we did after that is we waited till it fell, and we waited till we saw, a little bit of something different. We didn't buy here, we just watched it fall to here. We noticed a hammer, and after that we saw, a slight upward momentum in this direction. So you'll notice that right here, the price starts to get rejected, and you'll notice that it's respecting the 23% line of the Fibonacci. So simply to trade this, you could have this as a little bit of a day trading approach almost. You would maybe purchase way down here at this lower line of support and sell here. That would be one way of trading it. Another way of trading this Fibonacci would be to buy slightly above this level of resistance right here, and hope that it continues an upward momentum. The reason why we would buy above this level of resistance is that would be a confirmation that we are going higher and we did break past that limit line. So you could essentially ride this as long as possible and maybe recoup 100% of this first move over here. But mostly you're probably going to, want to stay a little bit, conservative and take profit somewhere in one of these locations, maybe 40%. So that would be how you trade the Fibonacci retracement. So if you feel comfortable charting and trading the Fibonacci retracement, the final step is placing a proper stop loss. The stop loss should go 1 ATR below your support line. So the support line in this would be your bottom line of your Fibonacci retracement. So go ahead and set your stop loss right there. So one secret tip before we wrap up here is always trade in an uptrend. You're going to want to go to your daily chart and review the last few days. One of the easiest beginner ways to tell if you're in an uptrend is just simply look at the candles. You can see that there were some slight spikes and the price is ascending slowly. So that's been your bonus tip. It's going to improve your odds. Always trade in an uptrend. Well guys, this has been another episode of Skate Trader. This program is free, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, go down into my video description below. There's a link down there. Click on it. We'll get it for you. You'll also receive 2 free stocks if you sign up for this program. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this content, hit like and give me a subscribe if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. Guys, I was just about to end the video, but we did have a little bit of excitement. I think it's worth showing you guys. Behind me is the Fibonacci retracement that we just drew. You'll notice, guys, that we did break through that line of 23%. So I'm zooming in right here. Hopefully you guys can see that we did break that 23 line. It's starting to form a new support line. Hopefully we're going to keep riding this trend higher, guys. You can see right here, this is the proof. It does work. I pulled that retracement. It's respecting it, bounced off the line perfectly, and now it's riding above the line, respecting it again. So guys, this does work. Here's the proof.